right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IBK. Good afternoon to you all and lovely afternoon to everyone. How are you all doing, guys? Guess what? Today I'll be showing you guys how you can easily clean your what's it called, sardine fish. How you can clean your sardine fish and preserve it in the freezer, so that you don't need to go to the market all the time or to go to the supermarket anytime you want to eat sardine fish, or anytime you like to eat sardine fish, you go to the supermarket to get it. No, you can have sardine fish in your freezer for more than a month, for more than 2 months. It's blocked and it's not going to spoil, it's not going to change. How you can, what I'm going to do now in this video is just to show you how you can clean it and how you can preserve it to keep it in your fridge. So guys, this is the sardine fish. This is it. This is the sardine fish, guys. You can see our sardine fish is very beautiful. This is my sardine fish, guys. This is the sardine fish. Now you see that this sardine fish has a lot of, it has the back that you need to clean out. You need to clean all this back out, and then you need to remove the bones inside. So this is it, guys. You can see that. You see how it looks. So now we just go ahead and start cleaning our sardine fish, guys. Come with me while we just go ahead and start cleaning it. I will just turn it inside there. So I want you guys to see how I'm going to be cleaning my sardine fish, guys. So I will just go ahead. You see the back, you use your finger.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
So guys, you just dip your finger inside the center of the fish to remove the bones. You dip your finger inside the center, and then you open the fish. After you open the fish, what you just need to do is to remove the bone. You just bend the bone and then it go out very easily, guys. With this, your fish will be neat, and when you use this fish to cook any food of your choice, you won't be complaining that it has bone, because you have already removed all the bone and you have cleaned the back. So guys, that is just it. That is how I clean my fish, because I love this sardine fish so much. I can use it to cook my stew, I can use it to cook spaghetti, I can use it to cook any food of my choice. I can add it to my soup, any soup of my any food of my choice. I can add this fish to it, and you just fry this fish. Just throw it inside your food. It's like, it's yummy, guys. So this is how you have to clean it. You need to really clean the fish. If not, if you use it to cook with the bones, with the back, that food, you can't eat it. You can't eat it, guys. You can't eat it. So you just have to clean it this way. You see how I'm dipping my hand inside.
It's hard how we always wait.
And then you pick the bone out. You see that? You just pick the bone out. You pick the bone out and then you drop it there. You just dip your hand. You clean the back with your fingers. You clean the back with your fingers, like you're scraping it, to put out the back, and then you just dip your hand inside the center of the fish, guys. You just cut the head off, dip your hand inside to open it, and you remove the bone. Guys, this is the best way. This is the best way, guys, to clean the fish. And clean it this way, believe me, you are going to enjoy this fish, because this fish is very good, and this fish is very sweet, guys. I know that maybe there are a lot of people out there that love this fish, but because they don't know how to clean it or they don't know how to prepare it, they don't bother to buy it. But this fish is a lovely fish. This fish is a lovely fish. You can see a lot of white people, they love this fish so much. They love this fish so much. And the Arab people also. And the Arab people, they love this fish. They love this this fish so much. This is their best fish, guys. Also with me, I love this fish so much. I love it so much. Like that is the last.
So guys, we just go ahead and clean them with water and put them inside our strainer so that the water can go out. You see that? We just clean it now with water. Just clean it and then we put them inside the strainer.
How we watch the kids walk away. Let's stay down by the water. Watch you come and go home. I'll wait till you go. I'll sail away. I just wanna kid. Can you be here?
I finished. You can see what go out from the fish. You can see that those are the things that I clean out from the back of the fish. You can see how our fish look lovely. The fish look lovely and beautiful, guys. So now I will just go ahead and put my, what's it called? I'll just go ahead and put my paprika plastic, my nylon to tie things in the fridge. So I'll just go ahead and cut it in pieces because I normally cut it in pieces. You can see how I cut it there to wrap my fish. So depend on individual, you can put how many fish you choose to. Like me, sometimes I do like 7, I do like 6, I do like 8 because it's one person. Because when you take it out, you want to fry it. You fry 6 fish, 7 fish for one person is enough. So that's why I always put like 7 or 8, guys. Sometimes I do put 6, depend on you. You can wrap 20 together, you can wrap 15 together, you can wrap all together, depend on you. But for me, I think it's better you wrap it separate. It's better you wrap it separate. So when you want to take it out of the freezer, maybe you want to use it to cook, you can just take out like 3. You can take out like 3, it doesn't matter. So I prefer you wrap it separate. It will be very, very good and without stress. It will be very good without stress, because if you want to fry it, if you decided to fry it today, I'm going to fry mine now. You just need only 1 packet for you because it's you alone. Except you want to share it with other people, you can add more. If it's only you, only 1 packet is enough for you. So that is it, guys. You can see how I'm sharing it. You can see how I'm sharing it. So I'll just go ahead and pack and seal it. Now you see that I just go ahead and seal it together. I'll just go ahead and seal everything together. I'll go ahead and seal everything together. So I just seal it together one by one.
How we always wait
together one by one. So I just make 6. It should have been like 6. It should have been 6. I make 5. It should have been 6, but I want to eat the other ones there, guys. So now I'll just go ahead. That is it. I'll just go ahead and put it inside my freezer. Go ahead and put it inside my freezer. That fish you see now, you can spend 4 months. You can spend 3. Those are the one that I have before. It's blocked. Those are the one that I have before. It's blocked. This fish can spend 3 months in the freezer. You can spend 2 months. You can spend a month. Depends how you eat it. Depends how you eat it. You can spend 2 weeks. You can spend a week. Depends how you eat it, guys. So that is just it for that. Now I will be frying the one that I want to eat. Guys, I've cracked my head. Cracked my head inside the bowl. So I'll just go ahead and add my curry to it. I will add a little curry into the eggs. Add a little curry because I want to have taste. So I'll just go add a pinch of salt inside the egg. I'll add a pinch of salt to it. So I will add my peri. So I'll add it to it, guys. This gives a lovely aroma to your fish. You can add it to any kind of fish.
how we always
that.
I'll be wise
I'm
in
busy
the
aroma, so I'll just add my Maggi cube a little bit. I'll just add a little bit of Maggi cube to it, guys.
Let's live
So
on the
now
water. Watch it come on.
mix it together. I'm going to be
Always
adding other eggs because one egg won't be enough.
like sailors
It
play.
won't be enough. You just go ahead and stir it together. You stir it very well so you can see this is well mixed. Now I just dip my fish inside my eggs and then put it in my hot oil. I love this so much. I love this fish so much. Anytime I fry this fish like this, I love it so much, guys. I love it so much. You can see that. You can see that. You just dip your fish inside your oil. Dip your fish inside your eggs and then put it in your hot oil. Put your fish inside your eggs and put it in your hot oil. Guys, believe me, this is delicious. All the children love this. All the children love this. They love this. All the children love it. So you can see how little guys you just go ahead and comment because you don't want it to be done, guys. You don't want it to be done. Because you no longer love the eggs that come like this. So you don't want to be done. You can see how nice and lovely it looks. You can see how nice and lovely it is, guys. You just need to try to don't need to wait to try. Don't need to wait to try. Just need to try to and see that. And see that how amazing it is. Wow. Wow, I love this one. I love this one. It's I can't wait. I can't wait to finish frying so that I can start eating it, guys. I can't wait to finish frying so that I can start eating it. So I'll just go ahead now and add the other part also. I'll just go ahead and add the other part to my oil, guys. The same process that I made and the first time to finish the first the same process. These are the same process that I first did. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm doing the same thing in this one also. So I'll just add everything. See that? Add everything to it. I'll leave it to fry. Now I'm about to fry it down.
I'll be always waiting. I'll be wise in the
When you're frying it like this now, you can also use it to eat bread. You can also use it to eat bread, guys. You can also use it to eat bread. It's nice. You can also use it to eat bread, guys. And it looks yummy. It looks yummy. So guys, that is the end of our clean fish and fried fish, guys. You can see how lovely it is. So if you love this video, if you like this video, please do not forget to leave a comment. Do not forget to leave a comment. Do not forget to like. If it's possible, share with your friends, guys. Share with your friends. Leave your comment. If you have any question to ask me, leave it in the message box and I will reply you, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope someone give a try to this, and I hope you guys love this video so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you with all my heart. See you in my next video. Bye.